Hey guys, good morning. So today we are going to Ikea to shop for our new house in Goa. We are doing all the furnishing and interior of that house because we want to put it on Airbnb as soon as possible. So today we are going to Ikea to get all the stuff for the house that we require, and next week we are going to Goa to set the house properly. So I'm gonna take you around when we are setting the house in Goa. I hope it turns out to be very beautiful because we have kept up this whole boho theme, whole white and wood kind of a decor, and I wish it would look very beautiful, but let's see how. But for now we are going to Ikea for some shopping, and we're gonna buy lots and lots of things. I have made the whole list, and it will take some time, I think, to complete everything and to buy everything, because we want to be ready before we reach Goa so that we can bring up the house as soon as possible. And that's it. Now let's go to Ikea and I'll show you around what I buy and what does it cost us. So finally we are here at Ikea to do lots of shopping for our house. So let's see what we find here. I'm sure I'm going to find amazing things here. So we are at Ikea and it's so huge, and their warehouse looks so strong and it's filled with items and everything is so cheap here. I'm just loving it. Boho, yeah. But we will get this on Amazon. So the lights are very beautiful, very pretty, but these are all made up of paper, and we are doubtful that will it sustain in our Airbnb kind of setup. I'm not sure, but if you have your own house you can definitely have these kind of paper lights. As you can see, they look so beautiful, but yeah, they are made up of paper. So our cart is almost full and we haven't even reached to the kitchen point where we have to buy the kitchen items, and we have bought so many things like pillow, carpet and duvet cover. So right now it's all bedroom items and we haven't reached to the kitchen items, so I'm just wondering how much we have to spend. Let's see what's the damage. So this place is so huge that we are getting lost every time and we are not able to find anything anywhere. So we have decided that let's just go along, and whatever we find in our way, we will just keep picking those items. Here I just picked up this soap dispenser and a brush holder. Finally, we have done a lot of shopping and we are able to gather a lot of stuff. So we are finally done with our shopping, and guess what? The damage is of 53,540 rupees. Yeah! It's a huge damage, but we bought a lot of stuff here. As people say that Ikea is very cheap, I don't think so it's that cheap, but yeah, you can get a good quality stuff here. Maybe that's what we call cheap, that you can get good quality stuff in little less price but not very cheap. I can't say that. So of course now we are going to get all the glass materials, get bubble wrapped, and after that we're gonna head to eat some tasty food here, because I can see a lot of things on display and I really wanted to eat those things. I'm so hungry, plus those things looks very scrumptious as well. So let's go and get them bubble wrap, as we have to take them to Goa, so we have to make sure that everything is packed properly and there is no problem. And yeah, this is the carpet that we bought. It's very beautiful carpet, but this isn't very cheap. It cost us somewhere around 2,000 rupees, so the carpet is very cheap, I can give it. Okay, it seems we have to do this on our own, and not a bubble wrap, but instead we use these newspaper. So let's do that. And these are the glass items that we bought. These are some bowls, glasses, cups. Going right? Yeah. color. I really love this color. I wanted to do in white, but the white ones were not looking that white, that good. But these ones are really good. So,
both of them.
is it wrapped? Yes.
It's a bag day, so करने को
newspaper wrap and stuff, and now it's time to eat some tasty food because I'm so excited to eat some, try some meatballs or some of the nice items. I don't know exactly what all we have here, but I have heard about it a lot from Instagram and YouTube. People who visited IKEA, people who have visited IKEA, they have really liked the food here. So I'm excited for that, and I want to try all the stuff, whatever I can see on the display. So let's see. Finally, our car is here. Now we have to unload this and put it in the car. I'm not sure how we will fit all these items. There's so much items to fit, but let's see. I think it will go. Don't you think? So guys, my suggestion, if you're coming to IKEA, then try and come on weekdays because on weekends it's too crowded. Plus, please make sure you have enough time to buy your things because the place is huge and everything is spread here and there, so you'll be definitely confused. So just take out a lot of time to buy stuff, and we have bought so much stuff for our Goa house. I think we have covered almost 80% of the things. Rest 20% of things that is left, we will go and shop there in Goa itself. For now, bye bye and take care.